Hi Candace, it's Geraldine Hogan. I'm sending you this quick video to share with you the cover design that I've selected for my very first book. When I shared the cover design with my husband, he reminded me that I initially told him that I was going to write a book about 10 years ago. However, I was never able to get started. I want to thank you for working with me, helping me to come up with techniques to get first the initial draft done, and then giving me the techniques and the discipline and holding me accountable for getting through the follow-up edits that were required in order to complete the document. I also thank you for the information that you shared regarding the self-publishing industry. I had no idea of the information that was out there. And to anyone, I want to just say this before I end this quick video. If there's anyone out there who said to them, who may have said to himself or herself, I think I want to write a book, I encourage you to do it. Make that decision, hire a coach, get someone to help you, and then follow through. And just think, if you start writing your book this summer, you could actually have the book completed before the end of this year. That to me is so exciting. And so I just wanted to share with you my cover design that I've selected. Candace, you will see career moves for teachers and other professionals, strategies for a successful job change. I initially started to put retired Judge Geraldine Hogan. As you know, I retired at the end of last year. However, this book is for everybody, and I didn't want people to think, oh, if I'm not in the legal profession, or if I don't want to go from being a teacher to an attorney to a judge, I won't. That book may not be for me. This book is really for anyone who's ever said to himself or herself, I think it's time for me to make a career move, and it encourages them to do so. So I just want to say thank you, Candace Duff. Without your help, this project would not have been completed at this point, and I am just so extremely thankful for your help and your support. I look forward to talking with you soon.